हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ओनली मैथ्स ईजीएस्ट मैथ्स। आज हम शुरू कर रहे हैं सीबीएसई क्लास 8 का चैप्टर नंबर 1 से शुरू करेंगे। क्लास 7 का पूरा सीबीएसई का कोर्स लास्ट वीडियो तक हो चुका है। अगर आप देखना चाहें तो पिछली वीडियोस में देख सकते हैं। आज हम शुरू कर रहे हैं क्लास 8 सीबीएसई चैप्टर नंबर 1 रैशनल नंबर्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इंट्रोडक्शन। इन मैथमेटिक्स we frequently come across simple equation to be solved. For example, the equation x plus 2 is equals to 13. देखिए x plus 2 is equals to 13 है। अगर यहाँ पे आपको x की वैल्यू निकालनी है तो 2 को 13 के पास ले जाएंगे और ये 2 जो प्लस का है वो इधर जाके माइनस का हो जाएगा। ठीक है, तो x की वैल्यू हो जाएगी आपके पास 13 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 11 is solved when x is equals to 11 because this value of x satisfies the given equation. The solution 11 is a natural number. On the other hand, for the equation x plus 5 is equals to 5, equation number 2, the solution gives the whole number 0. If we consider only natural numbers, equation number 2 cannot be solved. To solve equations like 2, we added the number 0 to the collection of natural numbers and obtained the whole numbers. Even whole numbers will not be sufficient to solve equation of type x plus 18 is equals to 5. Do you see why we required the number minus 13, which is not a whole number? This led us to think of integers positive or negative. Not that the positive integers correspond to natural numbers. One may think that we have enough numbers to solve all examples equations with the available list of integers. Now consider the equations. 2x is equals to 3, 5x plus 7 is equals to 0, equation number 4 and 5, for which we cannot find a solution from the integers. Check this. We need the numbers 3 by 2 to solve the equation 4 and minus 7 by 5 to solve the equation 5. This leads us to the collection of rational numbers. We have already seen basis operation on rational numbers. We now try to explore some properties of operations on the different types of numbers seen so far. Properties of rational numbers. Firstly, closure. Whole numbers. What is whole numbers? Whole numbers is start from 0 to infinity. 0, 1, 2, dash, dash, infinity. Whole numbers. Let us revisit the closure property for all the operations of whole numbers in brief. Addition. Whole numbers are closed under addition. 0 plus 5 is equals to 5 is a whole number. 4 plus 7 is equals to 11. It is a whole number. Yes. In general, a plus b is a whole number for any two whole numbers a and b. Subtraction. For subtraction, whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Multiplication. For multiplication, 0 multiplied by 3 is equals to 0. A whole number are closed under multiplications. Division. Whole numbers are not closed under divisions. Check for closure property under all the 4 operations for natural numbers. Now integers. Let us now recall the operation under which integers are closed. Operations. Firstly हम लगाएंगे addition. Integers are closed under addition because if a and b are two integers, then we get कि a plus b is an integer for any two integers a and b. For subtraction, integers are closed under subtractions. For multiplication, integers are closed under multiplication and integers are not closed under division. Now rational numbers. Recall that a number which can be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0, is called a rational number. For example, minus 2 by 3, 6 by 7, 9 by minus 5 are all rational numbers. Since the numbers 0, minus 2, 4 can be written in the form p by q, they are also rational numbers. You know how to add two rational numbers. Let us add a few pairs. For example, minus 2 by 3, 6 by 7, 9 by minus 5 are all rational numbers. Since the numbers 0, minus 2, 4 can be written in the form p by q, they are also rational numbers. Check it. You know how to add two rational numbers. Let us add a few pairs. देखिए 3 by 8 प्लस माइनस 5 by 7, 8 and 7 का एलसीएम लिया 56 आ गया और ऊपर आया 21 प्लस माइनस 40, तो देन माइनस 19 by 56. We find that sum of two rational numbers is again a rational numbers. Check it. For a few more pairs of rational numbers, we say that rational numbers are closed under addition. That is, for any two rational numbers a and b, a plus b is also a rational number. Will the difference of two rational numbers be again a rational numbers? We have minus 5 by 7 minus 2 by 3 is equals to minus 29 by 21, a rational number. Try this for some more pairs of rational numbers. We find that rational numbers are closed under subtraction. That is, for any two rational numbers a and b, a minus b also a rational number. Let us now see the product of two rational numbers. Take some more pairs of rational numbers and check that their product is again a rational numbers. We say that rational numbers are closed under multiplications. That is, for any two rational numbers a and b, a cross b is also a rational numbers. We know that minus 5 by 3 divided by 2 by 5 is equals to minus 25 by 6, a rational numbers. Can you say that rational numbers are closed under division? We find that for any rational numbers a, 8 divided by 0 is not defined, so rational numbers are not closed under division. However, if we exclude 0, then the collection of all other rational numbers is closed under division. Now, commutativity. Whole numbers. Recall the commutativity of different operations for whole numbers by filling the following table. Addition is commutative, subtraction is not commutative, multiplication is commutative, division is not commutative. Check whether the commutativity of the operations hold for natural numbers also. Now, integers. For integers, addition is commutative, subtraction is not commutative, multiplication is commutative, and division is not commutative. Rational numbers. For rational numbers, addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. It means for any two rational numbers a and b, a plus b is equals to b plus a. Subtraction. For subtraction, so subtraction will not be commutative for rational numbers too. For multiplication, now you will find the multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. In general, a cross b is equals to b cross a for any two rational numbers a and b. Now, division is not commutative for rational numbers. Now, associativity. For whole numbers, recall the associativity of the four operations for whole numbers through this table. Addition is associative, subtraction is not associative, multiplication is associative, and division is not associative. Fill in this table and verify the remark given in the last column. Check for yourself the associativity of different operations for natural numbers. Now, integers. For integers, addition is associative, subtraction is not associative, multiplication is associative, and division is not associative. For rational numbers, addition is associative, we can see a plus bracket b plus c bracket 1 is equals to bracket a plus b plus c. For subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. For multiplication is associative in rational numbers. Now division is not associative for rational numbers. Now you can see, देखिए example number first, find 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22. तो अगर हम इसे ध्यान से देखें तो हम देख रहे हैं कि 7 और 21 का एलसीएम लेना सिंपल है और 11 और 22 का एलसीएम लेना सिंपल। तो पहले हम 7 और 21 को एक साथ रखेंगे और 11 और 22 को एक साथ रखेंगे। तो 3 बाय 7 और माइनस 8 बाय 21 का एलसीएम आएगा 21 एंड 11 और 22 का एलसीएम आएगा 22। देखिए इसने सेकंड पार्ट में बताया हुआ है, यहाँ इसने एलसीएम लिया, लिखा हुआ है ब्रैकेट में LCM of 7 and 21 is 21 and LCM of 11 and 22 is 22। ठीक है, सॉल्व किया तो 1 by 21 प्लस माइनस 7 by 22 देन 22 माइनस 147 इज इक्वल्स टू 462 माइनस 125 डिवाइड बाय 462। डू यू थिंक द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कम्यूटेटिविटी एंड एसोसिएटिविटी मेड द कैलकुलेशंस easier? Now example 2 and the role of 0. What is the role of 0? Look at the following. 2 plus 0 is equals to 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. Addition of 0 is a whole number. 0 to a minus 5 plus 0 is equals to 0 plus minus 5 is equals to minus 5. Addition of 0 to an integer. Addition of 0 and to a rational number. ठीक है. What do you observe? You will find that when you add 0 to a whole number, the sum is again that whole numbers. This happens for integers, rational numbers also. ठीक है, 0 को आप whole number में ऐड करो, इंटीजर में ऐड करो, रेशनल नंबर में ऐड करो, सेम एज इट इज वही डिजिट आ जाती है। 0 इज कॉल्ड द आइडेंटिटी फॉर द एडिशन टू अ रेशनल नंबर्स. It is the additive identity for integers and whole numbers as well. The role of 1. We have 5 multiplied by 1 is equals to 5 is equals to 1 multiplied by 5. Multiplication of 1 with the whole numbers is equals to, you will find that when you multiply any rational numbers with 1, you get back the same rational numbers as the product. Check this for a few more rational numbers. You will find that a multiplied by 1 is equals to 1 multiplied by a for any rational numbers a. We said that 1 is the multiplicative identity for rational numbers, is 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers for whole numbers. Negative of a numbers. While studying integers, you have come across negatives of integers. What is the negatives of 1? It is minus 1, because 1 plus minus 1 is equals to minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. So what will be negative of minus 1? It will be 1. Again, reciprocal. What is reciprocal? By which reciprocal number would you multiply 8 by 21 to get the product 1? Obviously by 21 by 8. 8 by 21 multiplied by 21 by 8 is equals to 1. Similarly, minus 5 by 7 must be multiplied by 7 upon minus 5 so as to get the product 1. We say that a rational number c by d is called the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of another non-zero rational numbers a by b if a by b multiplied by c by d is equals to 1. Distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. To understand this, consider the rational numbers minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 6. Solve this and we get, now example, write the additive inverse of the following. First part, 7 by 19 is the additive inverse of minus 7 by 19 because minus 7 by 19 plus 7 by 19 is equals to 0. The additive inverse of 21 by 112 is minus 21 by 112. Now example number 4, example number 5 and your exercise. Now representation of rational numbers on the number line. You have learned to represent natural numbers, whole numbers, integer and rational numbers on number line. Let us revise them. Natural numbers 1 to infinity होते हैं, होल नंबर्स 0 टू इन्फिनिटी होते हैं, इंटीजर माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू इन्फिनिटी होते हैं और रेशनल नंबर्स माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू इन्फिनिटी एंड इसमें पी बाई क्यू भी सबमिट होता है. The point on the number line 4, which is the halfway between 0 and 1, has been labeled 1 by 2, also the first of the equally spaced points that divides the distance between 0 and 1 into 3 equal parts can be labeled 1 by 3 as on number line 5th. How would you label the second of these division points on number line 5th? Now rational numbers between two rational numbers. Can you tell the natural numbers between 1 and 5? They are 2, 3 and 4. How many natural numbers are 3? They are between 7 and 9. There is 1 and it is 8. How many natural numbers are there between 10 and 11? Obviously none. List the integers that lie between minus 5 and 4. They are minus 4 to 3. How many integers are there between minus 1 and 1? How many integers are there between minus 9 and minus 10? You will find a definite number of natural numbers integers between two natural numbers integers. How many rational numbers are there between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10? You may have thought that they are only 4 by 10, 5 by 10 and 6 by 10, but you can also write 3 by 10 as 30 by 100 and 7 by 10 as 70 by 100. Now the numbers 31 by 100 to 69 by 100 are all between 3 by 10 and 7 by 10. The numbers of this rational number is 39. So you can write example number 6. Write any three rational numbers between minus 2 and 0. Solution: minus 2 can be written as minus 20 by 10 and 0 as 0 by 10. Thus we have minus 19 to 10 to minus 1 to 10 between minus 2 and 0. You can take any three of these. Other examples. And now your exercise 1.2. इस प्रकार आपका आज का चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है. अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में. अगर आप लोगों को आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए, और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं, आपने इसे अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.